So this is super easy. You just turn, I guess, counterclockwise, both. This goes down, and then after that, you just pull up. That's pretty. So this one was a bit more difficult, but I figured it out. So obviously this is a aftermarket from eBay. It's like 70 bucks. So what you want to do is I'm going to put this little cap. I'm going to keep this at the top. Put the cap on, screw it in. Maybe just a ring or two. There. And then you're going to push this down. Loosen it a little bit. Push down. There you go. Now you're just tightening this up. It's very hard, but not impossible. But you get the gist.